Welcome to this quick video guide on tracking expenses and managing invoices in SoProjects, part of the One platform from So365. In this walkthrough, you'll see how to log major project costs and keep a clear record of client billing, so you stay on top of the financials from start to finish. Start by heading to the Expenses tab. This is where you record significant project-related costs, like travel, equipment, or third-party services. It's not a replacement for your internal expense system, but it gives you visibility into big-ticket items that impact your project budget. Next, switch to the Invoices tab. Here you can log and track all billing activity related to the project. Use this space to keep a clear up-to-date record of what's been billed, what's outstanding, and what's coming up. For each invoice, enter the date, the amount, and its current status, such as to be raised or issued. This helps you manage cash flow and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. With SoProjects, tracking expenses and invoices is simple, structured, and fully integrated into your project workflow. You stay financially informed, your team stays accountable, and your project stays on budget. SoProjects is part of the One platform from So365. Try it today or book a walkthrough to see it in action.